My name is Michael, and I've been with CSN for about 7 months. At first glance, it's a little intimidating seeing the size of the place and how many vehicles we handle, which is pretty much every vehicle you can think of. But as soon as you set your feet into the company, you really feel a lot more confident because there's a lot of people you can go to kind of build your knowledge and to make sure that you're fully knowledgeable with your customers and everything. You know, we have standards to follow, right? They follow through every single step. There's no cut corners, there's no cheaper options to follow through. You know, when we tell the customers, you know, we're certified with Audi, with Benz, with Lambo, with Ferrari, they're getting that quality work. They're not getting some weak effort. They make sure it's always done as best we can. We actually set reminders every couple of days on every single customer that we have to make sure that they're informed with everything that's going on with their car, whether everything's moving faster than usual, if there's delays. Keeping the customer informed and being transparent with everything, the customers really have that appreciation. You know, rather than try to sugarcoat it or try to dance around it, we're straight up letting them know, like, hey, it's taking a little bit more time, but we'll make sure it's getting done properly. You know, the customers appreciate that a lot.